NAPA AutoCare Atlanta salutes the Boy Scouts of America. We've been participating with the Scouts in the Atlanta metro area for many years, and we're pleased to continue in helping serve and support the future of tomorrow through fundraising, event creation, and active participation. Every fall, NAPA AutoCare Atlanta comes together with the Atlanta Area Council of the Boy Scouts at Burt Adams Scout Camp during Spooky Read. We've built an activity called the Cub Mobile Challenge, where scouts of all ages come together for friendly competition in NAPA Cub Mobile carts. Racing each other 4 at a time down the ramps, the crowd of parents, scouts, and leaders cheer each other on. Smiles and laughter fill the camp as this little activity means so much to the kids. Each year, we take professional photos of the Scouts in their Cub Mobile, and the families have the opportunity to share those photos in a hashtag contest to win prizes, like a NAPA AutoCare Atlanta Edition Xbox One S, a tablet, or gift cards to their local Scout store. We look forward to seeing more of tomorrow's leaders each year. You can help NAPA AutoCare Atlanta continue to support the Boy Scouts all year long by making the Auto Care Center nearest where you live or work your home for routine car maintenance and repair. Just visit our website at napaaautocareatlanta.com or call 844-NAPA-ATL to find the location nearest you. NAPA AutoCare. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.